Please stand up and pay homage.
I'm not moving.
Making his way to the ring from Cleveland, Ohio, weighing in at 231 pounds, the Miz.
He's the greatest man on the planet. He has to put up with Daniel Bryan. He does a great job with that. He's accomplished everything in his career. Reality television star.
Yeah, and his ego is his worst enemy.
He's the greatest man on the planet. He has to put up with Daniel Bryan. He does a great job with that. He's accomplished everything in his career. Reality television star.
Yeah, and his ego is his worst enemy.
Seriously, show this guy some respect for once in your life.
I respect everything The Miz has accomplished inside the ring here at WWE. His personality, on the other hand, leaves a little bit to be desired.
Miz has it all, Byron. I think you're just jealous. I really think you're jealous of everything Miz has accomplished in his career.
I respect what Miz has accomplished in his career. In fact, you might say one day Miz might be a future WWE Hall of Famer.
With any luck, Daniel Bryan could follow in his mentor's footsteps and maybe make it to the B list.
Welcome to Balor Club.
And from Brett,
James D. Cool, John Wayne
weighing
Tough.
in at 190 pounds, the WWE Cruiserweight Champion, Finn Balor.
One of the most incredible athletes to ever step foot in WWE, Finn Balor.
The future is bright for the Irishman, Finn Balor. A bona fide superstar the world over, Finn Balor seems to get better, faster, stronger, and more dangerous every single week in WWE.
It's time for one of sports entertainment's most popular matches, the ladder match.
And the dangers these superstars are about to be faced with should not be overlooked. Ladder matches can and usually do get pretty wild. Say no man.
And from New York City, weighing in at 235 pounds, Shane McMahon.
I wonder whose life and career Shane's here to make miserable tonight.
Oh, don't start, Corey.
Commissioner Hothead is out of his mind. Completely unlikable. You know, guys, I talked to some of the members of the Mean Street Posse. They don't want anything to do.
Mexican outlaw! Yeah! Law is here! Mexican outlaw, Trejo the machete, world full of violence, sharp and heavy, and gringo, you're nothing, face the fear, Trejo the machete, outlaw is here!
99 pounds, Danny Travis.
The outlaw is here! I walk the desert, dust in my eyes, I cut through the silence, no disguise, a few punches in the face, man, that's my creed, Trejo the machete, I make you bleed! Yeah!
As we put the finishing touches on preparations for this ladder match, Byron, do you have a favorite?
Well, Michael, because this match is so very much unlike your traditional match, there's almost no way to predict an outcome. Plus, if I'm wrong, Corey will never let me hear the end of it.
Mexican outlaw! Yeah! Law is here! Mexican outlaw, Trejo the machete, world full of violence, sharp and heavy, gringo, you're nothing, face the fear, Trejo the machete, outlaw is here! The outlaw is here! I walk the desert, dust in my eyes, I cut through the silence, no disguise. I am the king, but without a throne. I rule with donations, with pity and scorn. My crown of dirt, my kingdom of pain.
From
My blow
Kiev,
strikes deep,
Ukraine,
straight to the
weighing in
heart.
at 210 pounds,
Straight to the
WarZone.
I am the fool who rules you, made with tears, connected with my strong precision. I have fled to butt the leg, to break a bars, merciless, tenacious.
Up next is the one we've been waiting for, guys, the ladder match.
Michael, this match is the absolute definition of high risk, high reward, especially considering the height of those ladders and what the winner gets to walk away with at the end of
I
this.
rule with donations, with pity and scorn. My crown of dirt, my kingdom of pain, but my blow strikes deep, straight to the heart. Straight to the heart. Yeah. No, no.
And
Let's
from
go.
Germany, weighing in at 221
Bling,
pounds,
turn it like
Big
a king,
Eagle
glitter Söder stepping in. Hear the crowd say, I shine. You can't touch my thing, one of a kind, one of a kind.
The ladders are ready, guys, as we wait to get underway here for what will likely be an amazing ladder match.
And we should point out that the hazards involved in this match are very real. This is not just about who can climb the ladder the fastest, as we'll soon see.
Your fate don't fade, but my shine don't last. Glitter and arrogance mixed with a blast. Bow, bow down, fuck up, built to outclass. Down, bow down, fuck up, built.
All hail King Baka!
and their opponent, from Houston, Texas, weighing in at
Michael, how many times do I tell you? It's King Booker! It's all in the throat.
One of the all-time greats, Booker T, surefire Hall of Fame career. You know, he's a former king of the ring.
Only one of the many accomplishments for arguably the most decorated superstar in all of sports entertainment. Michael, it's actually King Booker!
Byron, keep the king's name out of your mouth. You're not even worthy of being the court jester.
I think he just waved at me.
Just what a regal gentleman.
These peasants don't even realize how blessed they are to be in the presence of the king.
I wonder if we'll see a royal spin-a-rooney.
Seriously, though, one of the all-time greats, the Hall of Famer, the legendary Booker T. You know, people talk all the time. The prodigal son, Shane McMahon, steps into the ring. Where he will stop at nothing to win.
We've seen some amazing ladder matches over the years. I'm willing to bet this one will rank right up there with some of the best.
I saw Shane back out at ringside earlier, and I think he was scouting for somewhere to jump off of.
Yeah, as long as it's far away from this announce table, I'm looking forward to it.
Touche.
Oof! What a clothesline! Ouch!
What a strike.
Oh, clothesline!
Devastating elbow. Ooh, right to the face.
Oh, nasty impact. Boom, what a kick. What a stomp.
Good grief.
Clothesline. Oh, ooh, what a knee lift.
Somebody better check his nose.
What a stomp.
Good grief. The elbow.
Oh, man, right to the arm. Hyperextend your elbow.
Ooh, right in the face.
Destroyed.
Elbow drop.
Big time. Oh, man, incredible impact.
Big time impact from way up high.
DDT. Ooh. What a stomp.
Good grief.
Oh, my goodness.
Jam your leg in a bad way.
Boom. There's the heel kick.
Ooh.
Boom.
What a suplex.
What a slam.
Impactful. Will jar your spine.
You gotta believe this one's over. Oh, bang.
Oh, the ladder hits. Jeez, that's gotta hurt. Nailed it.
Over the years, guys, I'd say we've come to expect Shane McMahon to do some crazy things in the ring, but I don't think anybody expected to see him leap off the top of the cell at WrestleMania 32.
Enziguri. Harsh impact.
Oh, nasty impact.
Oh, and a backbreaker.
Right to the spine.
He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle. I think we're about to see a high-risk move from the top rope.
This might be it.
Oh, my.
Incoming.
Focusing more on Shane's amazing leap at WrestleMania that Michael mentioned. Remember, Shane somehow got back to his feet after ultimately missing his intended target, The Undertaker.
Not only did he get to his feet, Saxton, Shane actually told The Undertaker to keep bringing it. If that's not the definition of resilient, I don't know what is.
Oh, look at that. Spin out powerbomb.
Wow, I'm just as surprised as you guys are.
Oh, this is dangerous right here. This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Yeah, he's running hot right now, but we'll see if he can sustain it for long.
Using his elbow as a weapon.
Beautiful technique.
Ooh.
Nobody controls the pace of a match.
Belly to belly.
This just might be enough for him to take the victory here. Yeah, you don't see a slam like that very often.
Whoa. Cross body. Back suplex.
Very nice.
Oh, my God, a clothesline. Boom.
Ooh, what impact. Swinging neck breaker.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Boom, what impact.
Clubbing blow.
Northern Lights. Incredible impact.
Ooh, what impact.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Enziguri finds its mark.
This one is over.
Oh, my goodness, crushing it.
Harsh impact. Ooh, nice Russian leg sweep.
Beautiful technique. Oh, nasty impact. Boom!
He might have it.
That's a combination. Bam!
What a comeback. Now that was an impressive series of moves. Well, that'll hinder your modeling career.
I think we know what this is.
Have you ever seen a human being tossed like that?
Victory is on the horizon.
Gotta wonder how this is gonna end, Byron.
Whatever happens, it's not going to be good. I can tell you that.
Face first.
Flapjack.
I think it's about time to roll the dice, Cole. Crashing down the hard way.
Game, set, match. This one is over. Oh boy, he is rolling.
When this guy's on, look out.
Ooh! Double axe handle smash.
He's going for it all.
Ooh!
Look at this, Byron, getting that ladder position.
Perfectly placed, if you ask me.
Elbow right to the back of the neck. 19-16.
Finn Balor never ceases to amaze me.
He's bringing it back inside the ring now.
Headlock. Oh, a cheap shot right above the eye.
He's making a statement here with this attack.
Nailed it.
He's fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
Nobody controls the pace of a match.
Great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around. It's like he tapped into some unseen energy source.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Oh, what incredible power. Wow, what a vertical suplex. This might be it.
Oh my.
That kick will stop you in your tracks. Skull-crushing finale.
This one's over, guys.
Oh, he got him.
Let's look at this again.
That's a combination. Bam.
Is there nothing Shane McMahon can't do? Wow, that one packed even more punch than the last one.
Going all the way up. Oh, man, what a whoa.
Missile drop kick finds its mark.
Ooh, boom, what impact. You gotta believe this one's over. There he goes, crashing, incoming.
Beautiful technique.
And that's perfect positioning for the ladder.
Money.
You got to wonder what he's thinking here, guys.
I don't know if he is thinking.
Oh, nasty impact.
Oh, right to the back. I don't like the look in his eye here, folks.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
When this guy's on, look at this. Harsh impact. A second time.
Just a debilitating neck breaker. But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize?
Suplex. Gets out of the way of that one. Here he goes.
Thunderous slam.
Shane absorbing a lot of punishment here.
And now he's standing it right up in the middle of the ring.
Right where it needs to be.
There he goes, crashing to the floor. Hey, into a moonsault, what a combo!
To think, I almost wrote him off earlier.
The Miz got the worst end of that stick.
What a forearm! From the top of the ladder with a punch! Oof! Wow, look at him, guys. What a strike! There he goes, crashing to the floor. He's making a statement here with this attack.
Here it comes.
Beautiful dive.
Things are about as bad as they could possibly be right now for Finn Balor. Things do not look good for Finn Balor.
That's gonna leave a mark.
What a stomp!
Good grief.
This might end badly.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Nailed it.
Oh, man! Ouch! He's stalking his opponent from the top turnbuckle. Nice job getting out of the way of that one. Oh, and he dodges out of the way. Finn Balor is in position. How can they get away with that? That's not legal. DDT!
Finn Balor never ceases to amaze me.
Boom! Boom! Face first. Jumping neck breaker. Ouch!
Russian leg sweep. Look out! Oh boy, he is rolling.
Elbow drop.
Piercing, vicious strike.
Neck breaker.
Never underestimate the Miz's awesomeness.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
Ooh, what impact.
fighting back here.
I expected nothing less, Cole.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business. When this guy's on, look at this.
Oh boy, he is rolling.
This might be it.
Oh my.
Boom. Neck breaker. Uh-oh, he's in trouble here.
We're about to... And scene! Now it's time to capitalize.
Given the number of times we've seen it tonight, calling it a finisher might be a bit of a stretch.
What a strike.
Superplex!
Backbreaker. Whoa, the ladder hits.
Jeez, that's gotta hurt.
Harsh impact.
He's going for it all. He's making a statement here with his... Whoa!
Not now. Not now. Oh, no.
It is no time for...
Whoa, down he goes. Can't walk after that attack to the back.
But he's running on fumes here. Does he have enough left in him to capitalize?
Point of the elbow, nailed it.
This is going to be big, one way or another.
He's calling for it.
He's close to being done here.
Look out! He doesn't want to do this outside. Oh, and the ladder finds the mark.
Gonna be tough to bounce back from that one.
Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Ooh, what impact.
Boom. Whoa, the ladder hits.
Jeez, that's gotta hurt.
Oof, nailed it. Avoids trouble there. And if he hits this one's over. Lights out, DDT connects.
That's how you put an exclamation point on the end of a match, guys.
Oh, nasty impact. Here, this might be it.
Oh my, things are about as bad as they could possibly be right now for Finn Balor.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Beautiful technique.
Oh, and the ladder finds the mark.
Gonna be tough to bounce back from that one.
Ooh, this might be.
Oh, and the ladder finds the mark.
Gonna be tough to bounce back from that one.
Oof. Somebody got hops. He has him right where he wants him.
This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Kinshasa!
This one is over.
Hooked up and belly to back suplex. Olympic slam! Gut-wrench suplex.
Making it look easy.
Oh,
Debilitating elbow drop. That might be cliche, but it's true here. It ain't over till it's over.
man, what a slam. What a stomp. Good grief. Striking with the axe kick. Wow, what a gritty performance. Nailed it. Scoop slam. That messed up your neck. Man.
When this guy's on, look out.
Oh boy, great job escaping, trying to turn this thing around.
Putting it all on the line. Oh boy, look at this. He's making a statement here with this attack.
Ooh. Belly to belly. Vicious.
But I don't know how much gas he has left, guys. Oh boy, he is rolling.
Incredible drop.
Oh, and the ladder finds the mark.
Gonna be tough to bounce back from that one.
He might have it. I think things are about to get turned upside down.
I think you are correct. Going to the top. High risk. Look at this.
Great effort, but he better save some.
Oh, what a slam!
Wow, I thought he was a goner.
Oh, my goodness, crushing it. I'll break your crown. Leaping high. Vicious attack.
Things are about as bad as they can possibly be right now for Finn Balor.
Ooh, what impact. Here we go. Kinshasa.
That should do it.
Wow, let's see that again.
Man, he is simply a walking highlight reel.
What a dive.
The Miz is calling for it. Oh, and the ladder finds the mark. Skull-crushing finale.
This is his opportunity to win this thing.
You gotta believe this one's over.
Just when you thought he had nothing left, just as ruthless as the first time we saw it.
Beautiful technique. Oh, nasty impact. Now it's time to capitalize.
Boom, what impact.
He's looking to get up that ladder, guys.
The long way.
Oh, right to the side of the face. Oh, what a forearm.
That was dirty. This is what makes him one of the best in the business.
Face first.
Slapjack. You gotta believe this one's over. Boom. Bringing it back into the ring. Down to the floor. Oh, and the ladder finds the mark.
Gonna be tough to bounce back from that one.
Harsh impact. Nobody controls the pace of a match quite like this guy.
Beautiful technique.
When you look at this, simply amazing.
It looks like they both did their homework heading into this one.
Oh, and a terrific reversal by Finn Balor. Right leg sweep.
Nicely done.
Getting the ladder set up.
Right in the center of the ring, a picture-perfect location.
It'll destroy your face.
Shane
Nailed it. Is there nothing Shane McMahon?
This might be it.
Oh, my. That's what he was looking for, Michael.
And the odds just swung in Shane.
Ooh, earth-shattering spine buster.
Can he finish him off here?
Your whole body hurts after a move like that.
Oh, nasty impact.
Just attacking the back. Sometimes a match can't live up to the hype, guys, but that one sure did.
That's the kind of match that makes me proud to be here at ringside. Action from the opening bell and a finish people won't soon forget.